ngithi mina umuntu nje waseNatal nowase South Africa who knows the history of this country and who knows the truth about the black skin must never vote EFF. Lento ishow Malema ipowerful ngendlela esimanga ibaluleke ngendlela esimanga yokuthi one day fanele sivule imncele sibe into eyodwa eAfrica, but not now. We have our own problems. We will never allow that stupid endorsement and forcefully to our lives as a result of ukuthi wena ujahe uyalekini uthi uthola ifreedom yokuya kini lapha eZimbabwe. Ngeke ke lapho sifunze ngalo ndlela khohlwa ngaphansi wami khohlwa yabona wami khohlwa nje khohlwa udoti Malema udoti Malema go down Malema go down. Nobody must vote Malema in KwaZulu-Natal. Malema must go down, and then you must feel ashamed when you see the ballot and the red